Hi, the Indian security market is evolving and it is moving from infrastructure security to end user driven application security. The first are moving from entertainment, from attacking and hacking into economic benefits on the other side. And the third is the businesses are asking for us to give a protection and enablement for or exploiting digital technologies. So the question for us is, how do we embed security into digital initiatives of the organization, and then how do we make it as business friendly, and how do we remove jargons of technology at the back end but provide the business benefits? That is a challenge Indian CISOs today faces it. If you want to really address that challenge, I can potentially put it into three buckets. First bucket is to really think for us is to see where our business interests are and what are the value of the assets that we are owning in the business in the technology terms as well as in the business terms, and what's the value for its protection. If we are able to ascertain that, our ability to communicate with the businesses and avail investments makes it easier and cheaper. And second is that as we move forward, the expectation is that we are looking at an integrated security from infrastructure to the end user, from putting a centricity around the users, and the user behaviors and the weaknesses will help you to protect rightly so. So the user in the center and the data and application revolves around it is a way we see as a security requirements moving into the market. And the third one is that always we used to think of security means as a prevention, but it is moving away from prevention to detection and response mechanism. So the question for us, how well are we ready to first to prevent as much as possible, then a speed to detect and response. The technologies that we evolve or avail, whether in the applications or in the infrastructure or at the data, needs to focus on the entire security continuum from design to prevention to detection to the response mechanism, so as you can go back and redesign if there are any gaps that are being identified. This is the three layers that we believe in which the security foundation is getting laid today. Does it mean that this is changing completely? May not necessarily. It is an evolution. Initially, we all invested in infrastructure driven security for infrastructure, but as we move forward with the cloud and digital technologies, we need to put additional investments from infrastructure to the end users, to the application, to the data that we use. Having said that, one most important aspect that I need to address and cover is, if we really look at it, the landscape of compromises that have happened in India as well as across the globe, over 80% of the compromises have happened at the application side. It is not anymore penetrating on infrastructure, or it is not anymore breaking something. It is all about using the weaknesses of end users or using the weaknesses of application. So the focus for us is to move from infrastructure to application to the end users. That is an additional requirements that we see in the market. Thank you.